Airsoft. I'm Copperhead, and 2020 has been quite a year. Not just in the crazy things that have happened, but also on this channel. Over this year, I feel like I have really improved my video making skills, enabling me to make better content. So here is the best and worst moments of 2020 on Dragon Armory Airsoft. You're out. Sorry. Tango down. Wasp. Oh crap. Oh, I really hurt myself. Alright, y'all, let's push up. We can push the VC back. This ain't gonna be another dang to foo.
Which direction?
Forward position.
My least favorite position.
I guess they don't have like Vietnam surplus face protection. Yeah.
Today I'd like to talk about Charlie and what he's wearing. He's wearing black. I say you can find the jungle with it. In the evening, throw on some pearls and you're ready for formal wear. This says it all to me. It says you just fight or just lay around. Hello! No. None of that. 3, 2, no. Ah! Oh, ow! Oh, crap! Pedo kitty. Wait. What in the world? offensive. Upgrade time. I now have a pool noodle to beat the enemy with, and a sock wrapped in duct tape to throw at them. If you want to see more gameplay with it. I'm Copperhead, and I'll see you next.
Reloading. Hey! Got him. Pull out, pull out. Drag you.
Apparently not, as you can hear by this electric blowback. I need to get as many people in here as don't fall. Let's get started. Well, we survived 2020, which, considering everything that has happened, that is saying something. 2020 has affected us all in different ways, from financial situations to loneliness, to happiness to sadness. I'd like to act like I live in this perfect world where I can buy all the airsoft guns I want and play all the airsoft I can stand, but I don't, and everyone has life to get to. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching Dragon Armory Airsoft, even when life was bearing down on you guys. You all have been such an encouragement to me, commenting and subscribing to the channel. Even everyone who has recently subscribed to me has been super encouraging with their comments and subscriptions. I know I haven't always made the best videos, but I can honestly say I've gotten better over the past year, and that is thanks to you guys. He probably isn't watching anymore, but thank you to the guy who first subscribed to my channel, who had to endure the pain of my first few videos. I'd like to personally thank Jonathan Higgs from Airsoftology for recommending my channel and saying so many awesome things about it. Thank you Isaacs for suggesting my channel to Airsoftology, even when I didn't think my channel was good enough yet. You have been such a good friend who has consistently encouraged the channel. And thank you to all my friends who have encouraged and supported this channel, even from the beginning. Thank you everyone who watched Airsoftology and just instantly subscribed to the DA right off the bat. Now, I'd like to deal out some awards for 2020. The first one goes to this guy, who has the best reaction of 2020. I could listen to this over and over again. Smiley Dog gets the award for the most consistent commenter to this channel for this year. And Terminator Bart gets his own award for just commenting on the most airsoft videos I've ever seen. Walrus White gets an award for putting up with my highly inconsistent emails and texts. My friend John gets an award for the most face bleeds in a game. And finally, the best kill of 2020 was this one right here. There's so many more shoutouts and awards I could be giving out to you guys. So since this video can't go on for infinity, we're giving out some new Dragon Armory Airsoft patches. Guys, we only have so many of these, so comment below or message me on Instagram to get one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see what God has in store for 2021. Let's get started.